Bought a new Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2 and now exploring how to make it more useful and more powerful? Then don't worry, here I will show you how to do it. Because in this video I will show you 12 tips and tricks for your new Galaxy Watch. Just follow these steps and after that you will see your smartwatch will be more useful. So now let's start with first tips, and that is change your by default watch face. Yes, Galaxy Watch support plenty of new watch faces and also there are customizables. If you want to change watch face right from your smartwatch, then just tap on your home screen and after that you will see you can change your watch face with the new one. Yes, you can set any watch face. But wait, to make it more changes and to explore some advanced watch faces, you have to go to Galaxy Wearable app. In a Galaxy Wearable app, there is a gallery of new watch faces and also customizable one. Just scroll down and choose your favorite watch face. And also if you want to buy a new watch face from different creator, then you can also go to Play Store and choose watch face. Yes, you can also do that. When you choose your favorite watch face, then you can also make some changes to it. Just tap on it and click on settings. In the settings, now you can see there are different options, like you can change its background, its widgets, its complication, colors, shortcuts and mini modes. Just make changes and after that set that watch face on your smartwatch. And also if you want to put your own wallpaper on watch face, then also you can do it. Here in a photo watch faces, select anyone and after that click on photos to choose your own wallpaper. Now go to gallery, select your wallpaper or select any photo and set it. Now you can see your own photo on your watch face. There are tons of watch faces to explore. Choose anyone and set it. Now the second step is select Google Gemini on your Galaxy Watch. By default there is a Bixby on your smartwatch, and to choose Gemini as your by default AI assistant, you have to change your default one. Go to settings, then scroll down and select buttons and gestures, and here in the long press change your by default AI assistant to Google Assistant. That means digital assistant. Make that change and after that your smartwatch will remember Google Gemini as AI assistant. Now to use Google Gemini on your smartwatch, just press home button. When you press it, then Google Gemini will start and after that you can give any commands like to check weather, open settings, open workouts, open apps and different tasks. To get most of it, use your internet or Wi-Fi. Now the third one is change orientation. That means left mode or right mode. By default when you set up your smartwatch, then most users choose their default orientation. But if you want to make change and want to wear your Galaxy Watch on left hand or right hand, then you can also make that change. And to make that change, go to settings, then click on general, and here in the orientation you can select your favorite mode like left mode or right mode. Just make both changes and after that just save it. And here you can see you can wear your smartwatch on your right hand. For me, I wear on my left side, but here you can see I can also wear it on my right side. Now the fourth one is activate eSIM. I know some of you have bought LTE model, but it will not activate by default and you have to do that yourself. For LTE users, it is very easy to activate eSIM. Just go to settings, click on mobile networks and after that it will redirect you to your Galaxy Wearable app. In a Galaxy Wearable app, you can see it is asking you to enable eSIM. And you can do that from your carrier. Or here in India, I am using Airtel SIM. So I have to go to Airtel app and there select eSIM. If you don't see eSIM option, then search it and click on eSIM. Then here, it will ask you about your other device. Just select other device because we want same number that we are using on your smartphone and now we also want it on your smartwatch. So click on other devices. And here you have to type EID number. The EID number is available on your smartwatch. Just go to settings, then click on about watch and here in a status information you will see your 32-digit EID number. Now you have to copy it and paste it on your carrier app and after that it will start your process. After a successful OTP, it will activate eSIM on your smartwatch. I will also make a separate video to activate your eSIM on Galaxy Watch, so don't worry about that. Now we know Galaxy Watch 9 is advanced smartwatch and for such advanced smartwatch, you have to activate some advanced features like ECG and blood pressure. Yes, your Galaxy Watch 9 supported. If you are living in a supported country, then I will teach you how to activate ECG and BP function. On your smartwatch, just click on Samsung Health Monitor and after that, it will ask you to download Samsung Health Monitor app on your smartphone. On your paired smartphone, it will redirect you to Galaxy Store with the download link. Now click on download link and open it on your smartphone. Now give all permissions and also fill your personal information. And after that, it will set up ECG and BP for you. To use BP function, you have to calibrate it with medical equipment. Or for ECG and give your information. And after that, you can use ECG function. To use ECG function, just wear your smartwatch on your wrist. Wear it tightly, put your finger on home button for 30 seconds. Stay steady and don't move. And after 30 seconds, it will give you ECG results. See, it's really easy to set up ECG and BP on your smartwatch. Now the next one is make folders. When you use your Galaxy Watch more often, then there is chance you will download more apps. Yes, there are hundreds of essential apps for your Galaxy Watch, like from health to music to internet to productivity. And after some time, you will see there are tons of apps on your Galaxy Watch. And in those apps, it is very difficult to choose one. So to make it convenient, you can make folders to organize all those apps. Just click and hold on your any app. After that, drag it according to your need. Like an Android smartphone, you have to do it on your smartwatch. And to make it even easy, open Galaxy Wearable app. Now click on app section, and here you can see all your downloaded apps. Now drag and drop any apps according to your need, and also you can give a name to that folder, like health apps, essential apps, music apps, and so on. Now you can see your folder is more organized, and now you know where to find your exact app. Like a folder, you can also rearrange your quick panel. You can see in a quick panel there are many shortcuts. Some are useful and some are not that useful. To edit quick panel, just go there and click on add option. Now when you click on add option, then it will ask you to add more shortcuts or remove the existing one. You can make changes according to your need. Like here, I'm adding mobile network because I'm using LTE version, so I need mobile network. So I can enable or disable it quickly. And also I can drag and drop according to my need. Like on first page, I will put most useful. You can also make these changes from Galaxy Wearable app. Now the next one is edit or rearrange tiles. Yes, on Galaxy Watch 9, tiles are really messy. By default, Samsung has added many tiles to your smartwatch, and you don't need most of them. So according to your need, you can make changes to tiles. Just click on tiles and add or remove any one of them. For convenience, open Galaxy Wearable app. Here click on tiles, and after that tap and hold any one. Now you can remove the unwanted one and add your most useful, and add many of it. Below you will see the list of all apps and services that support tiles. Now just click on it and select tiles, and later those tiles will be available from your tiles section. You can create any tiles as you want, and also you can create tiles pages too. Now moving ahead, I will show you how to use internet, how to access browser, how to watch YouTube, and how to check social media accounts right from your Galaxy Watch 9. Yes, that's possible. You can access internet on your smartwatch. You can access browser right from your smartwatch. And for that, you have to download Samsung Internet Browser. Yes, the only browser for your Galaxy Watch 9. Just open Play Store on your smartwatch or on your smartphone and search for Samsung Internet Browser. Now download it and open it. Now here it has given YouTube section. Just open it and play your favorite songs. You can also play your favorite podcast or your favorite movie. You can watch anything. It's really easy to use YouTube on your smartwatch. And if you want to browse any website, just go to Google and search your favorite website. Like here, I'm searching gsmarina.com. In a gsmarina, just click on any article, and after that you can see I can literally read any web page. You can also zoom out to read it more effectively. You can scroll down, and also you can click on any links. So I guess you must download Samsung Internet Browser on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. Like Samsung browser, you can also download plenty of other apps. Yes, there are tons of useful apps in Play Store. Just open Play Store on your smartwatch and search for any apps like Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music for listening favorite songs, Strava, iFit or Komoot for your fitness and health. You can also search from Play Store on your smartphone. If you find it difficult, then go to Play Store and tap on other devices. In other devices, you will see Watch section. Here you can see many useful apps like WhatsApp, Samsung browser, YouTube Music and many other apps. Just select any one and tap on download. You can also do it from Galaxy Wearable app. Here in the settings section, just scroll down and below you will store. Now when you tap on store, then it will redirect you to Play Store. And from that you can select your favorite apps. Now let's move to the next one, and it is really useful. Many people don't know that from their smartwatch they can take screenshots. Like a smartphone, Galaxy Watch 9 also offers you taking screenshots, and it's really easy to take it. Just hold your fingers on home button and back button, and now press both fingers at the same time. And here you can see it has successfully taken a screenshot. Now to see all your screenshots, you have to open Gallery. Gallery app is available on your smartwatch. Just open and see your screenshot. You can also do that from your smartphone. In a smartphone, it has created a new watch folder. In this folder, all your screenshots that you have taken from your Galaxy Watch 9 will be saved in this folder, so you can check anytime. When you take a screenshot, Samsung automatically sends all those screenshots to your smartphone. But just note that when you enable power saving mode on your smartwatch, then it will not automatically send all those screenshots to your smartphone. You have to disable power saving mode, and after that you can send those screenshots on your smartphone. Now the last one is activate advanced sleeping features. Many users use sleeping function on their smartwatch, but they don't know their Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2 is more capable than they think. Yes, sleeping function has many hidden features that you should activate on your smartwatch. Just open sleep section on a smartwatch and click on advanced, and the watch will send you to Samsung Health app. In a Samsung Health app, now you can see there are many features, and from here you can activate snore detection, skin temperature, and many other functions. And when you enable these functions, then you can record your sleep, you will know your snore, you will know your skin temperature, and many more such results. So you should activate all these features. So these are the 12 tips and tricks for your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2. Now go to your smartwatch and make these changes. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also enable that bell icon so in a future video you will get more such useful tips and tricks for your Galaxy Watch. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.